once upon a time. A young girl named Elara held a secret power, a gift to speak with animals, but when a dark sorcerer named Thalor threatened to drain all magic from her land, only she could stop him. Join Elara on her quest to find the Heartstone, the kingdom's last hope. But will her courage be enough to save the forest from the sorcerer's greed? Prepare to enter a world where courage and friendship are the strongest magic of all. Let the adventure begin. Every morning as the sun rose over the distant mountains, Elara ventured into the forest to visit her friends, the foxes, the birds, and even the gentle deer. They all cherished her, for she had a heart as kind as it was brave. But one day, a mysterious change swept over the kingdom. The rivers, once flowing freely, began to dry up, and the plants started to wither. The animals grew fearful, whispering tales of a powerful sorcerer named Thalor, who sought to take control of the kingdom's magic for himself. Thalor had discovered a way to drain the magic from the land, and soon only he would have the power to wield it. But there was one thing he needed, the Heartstone, an ancient gem hidden deep in the enchanted forest. Legend said that only someone with a pure heart, one who understood the language of nature, could find it. Elara knew she had to protect her home. Guided by her friends, she set out on a journey to reach the Heartstone before Thalor could find it. Elara's journey wasn't easy. She had to brave storms, climb steep mountains, and even outwit a sly raven who tried to lead her astray. But she never gave up, for her love for her friends and her land was stronger than her fear. At last, Elara reached the Heartstone. It was beautiful, glowing with a light that seemed to hold the spirit of the forest itself. As she placed her hand on it, the Heartstone began to shine even brighter, filling her with warmth and courage. But before Elara could take the Heartstone, Thalor arrived, his eyes filled with greed. "Give it to me," he hissed. But Elara, with her friends by her side, stood firm. Elara, bravely, "You may have magic, Thalor, but you'll never have the heart of this land." Just then, the Heartstone pulsed with light, and a powerful wave of energy burst forth, knocking Thalor back. The forest itself seemed to come alive, protecting Elara and forcing Thalor to retreat. With the Heartstone safe, the forest returned to life. The rivers flowed again, the plants blossomed, and the animals rejoiced. Elara's bravery had saved her home. And so Elara returned to her village as a hero, loved by all who knew her. She proved that true power lies not in taking magic, but in protecting what we love. And from that day on, the forest remained enchanted, its magic safe in the heart of a young girl who understood its language. And so, dear friends, remember, magic is not in spells or potions. It's in kindness, courage, and the love that binds us to our world, the end.